Today we have a cute, adorable friend of mine who is gonna teach us something unique, galaxy art. Promise it looks magical and surreal, but it is very simple. What I love about galaxy painting is the flexibility with which your flowing thoughts can be magically transformed to out of the world beautiful painting. So let's welcome Sneh Lata all the way from Jharkhand, who is gonna teach us how to do this beautiful galaxy art. We really hope you enjoy this session and we get to see a lot of you people doing galaxy painting, and when you do, send a picture to us.
Hi guys, I hope you have succeeded in finding out your hobbies and interests during this pandemic lockdown, which you couldn't during the normal days like me, and I hope you are enjoying doing the same. And if you have not till now, then what are you waiting for? Go and find it. So hi, this is Sneh Lata and I am from Jharkhand, currently sitting on the terrace, which probably most of the artists would like to, I guess. So I'm gonna show you galaxy painting today for beginners. And you can also follow me at Paint and Pigment for more paintings. Also, you can follow me here, Barnawal Sneh, for my personal Insta account. I would like to thank Tulu Kannika for providing me this opportunity to connect with you all. I must say I am a great fan of Tulu Kannika, and getting this opportunity from her is like one of the dreams come true. So let's begin. So guys, I would suggest you as a beginner not to use a very cheap material because it doesn't go well with the watercolor, and take a material which is not very cheap and not very expensive as a beginner. So I'm currently using two sheets here. One is Bristow 100% cotton paper, which is really good for watercolor, and another one is an ivory sheet kind of, which I have taken it locally from a shop, but the material is really good for the watercolor painting. I'm also using a camel artist color of 12 shades. I kind of like mix and matching the colors, so I don't take more shades, I mix it. So camel artist watercolor comes in the cheap as well as good brand. Otherwise you can go for other better colors like Jenny Smith, which is expensive. You need also 2 jars, a piece of cloth or a towel, a color palette, and a toothbrush. We'll wash the paper with water so that water can smudge out. I'll show you how it looks. So I'm gonna use 12 number brush. Gonna take permanent orange, or you can mix red and lemon yellow together, orange effect. So you can see how it's getting smudged. Little bit crimson lake and this color, which is Prussian blue, less of Prussian blue and more of crimson lake, which makes it kind of purple effect, gives a purple effect. And I'm also gonna mix more of Prussian blue and less of crimson lake, which color gives a darker shade of. See how it's going like. I can make it look more brighter. So let it completely dry for 10-15 minutes to other galaxy painting. I'll again, like previous painting, I'll wash the paper so that water can smudge. So I'm gonna use this color. Pearl Jane hue is an aqua color. So I'm gonna make a water element on the galaxy. So I think it'll be good. I'm leaving it so it will. This is a paper which I have purchased locally, and it's a good shade. After that, you're gonna dark it, make it darker. Make it like flowy element. We should also use Russian blue here and a mix of black so that you can make it much darker. As well as this blue I'm going to take in. Make it completely dark outside. Make a water flow like structure in your drawing so it will look like that. Take a black. Back, I think the color is dry and we are gonna put white spray of watercolor with a toothbrush, and I'm gonna make little star as well. So I'll use 1 or 0 number brush. I'll take a white paint and gonna make take some white color, take some water. Just gonna check it if it's not more. I'm gonna spray a little more over here. Same applies here as well. Painting is ready. Now you need to take out your masking tape. It's really easy, guys. You just need to flow between 2-3 colors, and you will get it after 2 or 3 practices, and it's look really cool. You can also use it through acrylic painting color, but the way you do it is little different. I also want to show you some more of my paintings. This is the one I love it the most. Was my first galaxy. This is the one. This is the second, and you can see I am using different colors and variations over there. And this one. And yes, I have done with the help of YouTube acrylic galaxy painting. You can also use something like you have made a sky and put a picture over there, like here. This is my brother and my sister. So guys, I hope you loved it, and keep trying. You will love the painting of galaxies if you love watercolor. So bye bye, take care.